Whenever you are on a weight loss journey, you are advised to exercise daily. But it is very important that you select a right kind of exercise for yourself along with a healthy diet. So when I say right kind of exercise, I mean the exercise which should take care of your strength, your stamina, your flexibility and even your focus. Now, while losing weight, we try to do many kind of exercises. We do cardio exercises to burn more calories. We do weight training to improve our strength. We do stretching exercises so that we can improve our flexibility. But out of all these exercises, yoga is one kind of modality or one kind of exercise which is really beneficial as it gives us the benefit of all other exercises. And also, it is very much suitable for everyone at any age. So whenever you are in the process of losing weight, try and include yoga in your daily life. Practice yoga. Namaskar, my name is Dr. Ekta. I am an Ayurveda doctor, a yogic lifestyle expert and a yoga teacher. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 asanas which are really effective in losing weight, and also these asanas help you to improve your strength, stamina and stability. Do watch this video till last just to know what is the right technique to perform these asanas, because technique is always important. So let's get started.
The first asana is Trikonasana. This asana is also called a triangle pose. Now let's learn the right way to do Trikonasana. Stand erect with a distance of 2 to 3 feet between your legs. Make sure that your legs are firmly placed on the ground. Now slowly turn your right foot out in such a way that the heel of your right foot is aligned with the arch of your left foot well. Now inhale, bring your arms up, and exhale, go down till the point your body allows you or you feel comfortable. Make sure that your hips are in one line and body is well stretched. Now you can keep your neck in the middle and look in front, or you can look up onto your left hand and stay there for 3 to 5 seconds. Now again, inhale and come up, exhale, release the arms.
Now let's talk about the benefits of Trikonasana. Trikonasana is really beneficial to reduce fat around the waistline. It's a lateral bending asana or a sideward bending asana which helps in the reduction of fat or which helps in the burning of fat around the waistline. It also helps in the proper alignment of our legs, our arms and the spine, which brings a correct posture to the body, which gives us a good body posture. And we all know that the good body posture is another contributing factor towards weight loss, because when the posture is correct, there is maximum intake of oxygen inside the body, which leads to high energy levels, which finally leads to proper functioning of the muscles and burning of calories and finally the weight loss. So these were the few things about Trikonasana. So let's talk about the second asana, which is also called Utkatasana.
Second asana is Utkatasana. This asana works very well on your waist and lower limbs. Now let's learn these steps to Utkatasana. Stand erect by keeping your hands on the sides of your body. Maintain 1 foot distance between your feet and try to focus on one point in front of you. Now inhaling, raise your heels and arms simultaneously and stand on your toes. Now exhale and slowly go down in a squatting position till your thighs press against your calves. Suspend your breath and hold this squatting posture for 4 to 5 seconds. Now inhaling, rise up on your toes once again, and finally exhaling, lower down your heels to the floor and release the posture.
Now let's talk about the benefits of Utkatasana. Utkatasana is really helpful in losing weight as it works very well on our core as well as our muscles of the lower limbs. It brings a complete awareness in us regarding our body, and also it brings in neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination means when there is a connection between our mind as well as our body. It helps in improving or toning up the muscles of our legs, our thighs, our hips and even our abdominal muscles. And we all know that these are the only areas where there is a maximum accumulation of fat when there is a weight gain. So this is how Utkat Asana is so much useful to us.
Bhujangasana. It is a backward bending asana which is also called cobra pose. Now let's see what are the steps to Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach with your arms beside your body. Now place your palms near to your chest and keep your elbows close to your body. Inhaling, raise your upper body till your navel point and try to look towards the ceiling. Make sure while doing this your feet remain together. Now be in this posture for 3 to 5 seconds, holding your breath, and again slowly exhaling, bring your head, neck, chest down on the mat and relax.
Now let's talk about the benefits of Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana works very well on the abdominal muscles. It helps in toning up the abdominal muscles. Bhujangasana helps in activating the digestive system and helps in proper digestion of the food. Along with this, it helps in taking care of the issues like constipation, which finally helps in the elimination of waste from the body in a proper way. Now, proper digestion and proper elimination of waste are the two important components when we are trying to achieve weight loss. Also, Bhujangasana works very well on our mind as it develops the feeling of faith, determination and clear focus. And all these points are really important to achieve any goal in life smoothly. So this was all for today. We'll meet with another topic next time. If you really like my video, please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get the latest updates. Till then, Namaskar.